Ready to elevate your plant care routine to new heights? Discover the power of Karudaa Coirs specialized plant tonics, Panchagavya Plus, L5 and Fish Amino Acid. These carefully formulated solutions promote robust growth, supply essential nutrients and provide effective protection against pests. Panchagavya Plus and Fish Amino Acid tonics are mainly meant for plant growth and strength. These make the stems, roots and also leaves grow stronger, whereas L5 is mainly for the prevention of pests. If you ask if it kills the pests from an already infected plant, then the answer is no. It is applied prior like a precautionary tonic. To utilize these tonics effectively, follow the dilution ratio of 60 ml Panchagavya Plus tonic and Fish Amino Acid per 1 liter of water and L5 tonic 100 ml of the liquid for 1 liter of water. Apply every 15 days for optimal results. These tonics are preferably used outdoors only due to its strong odor. Take the first step towards vibrant, flourishing flowers today. Choose your tonic and witness the difference.